Ari kuganira n'abanyamakuru mukasheshekerizi bo muri Fort Portal Robert Kyagulanyi yagera ngo abahagizi b'enshanjo bakwasibwe polisi kandi abantu babiri baterwa amasasi agabarekero mu mberambe munonga. Ekiziro bwanyuma ya Kyagulanyi okugira obutiikiriza byo kwerinda amahando gwabiraine kukoresa okuza kutera kampeni mu Rurembo Fort Portal. Enshongeji heretira byo kwerinda bamayesha hibiri hagati y'uruguto harurengoma mitanje kutaho mu Rurembo Fort Portal.
They have arrested 70 of our comrades and they've shot 2 of our comrades with live bullets and they are in critical condition. That is what the Kagaba is doing. That is what the Abakama is watching over. But we shall not give up.
Konka polisi nejange bugamba bya Kyagulanyi byenderire kubata amatugembuzi okuba yisengwe.
I want to clarify, if he has evidence, ourselves are here. Boma Ground Police Central is here. Let him send his representatives to come and verify that number. We don't have anyone or anyone injured who is shot and is in a hospital. If he's shot in a hospital, he has relatives who can come in and report a case if it is there, but we don't have those numbers of people being shot.
Polisi akakumunu bakataha Kyagulanyi abukuruga ahantekateka eyibabire bikirize nonka polisi na timu ya Kyagulanyi okubara shirura karuru muchanga kya Toro.
Etukanya okuyisa oba okozese kuberyo naye kyatuvuddeko nti omuntu ngaye kinomu ngayagala kukozesa kubo. Yayononya obudde bwa ssaawa 3:37 bwe twatuuse ne Harubaawo nga ayingidde gye tuyita Fort Portal City ng'ayagala kuyita mu kibuga wakati ng'ate waliwo ekkubo lye twali tuplaninze ne bacoordinator be bennyini Mr. Rwamuhumbu, I think bamuyita Mr. Rwamuhumbu oba omwami omu gwe bayita Rwamuhumbu ye coordinator nga tugenda kukozesa St. Lewis Road tufulumiremu mu Kacwamba Kasusu alyoka agende e Bunyangabo.
Ogunazira Kyagulanyi ebyo kweriza nga byo kwerinda ne bambonabonesa nabiha kukoleka ekyake.
Era kuva ssaawa 9:31 tubadde naye awo n'ayagala ova mu motoka n'ebyabadde mwena mwabadde mubiraba naye era ne tumaliriza nga olukuŋŋaano lwe olw'obudde bwe yawesitize n'obudde ne butuuka wa kampeni nga buwedde tiyalukubye.
Wana polisi n'abagira ngu tahariho bayikirize ku ruganjenderwaho emyanya yibaragine.
Electoral Commission oba ekitongole ekikulira ebyamawulire ebyokulonda tekikkirizibwa kukuba nkuŋŋaana ze tuyita CBD areas, ebifo ebirimu bizinesi z'abantu, ebifo ebiri kumpi n'enguudo, roadsides, trading centers, n'ebifo bino because these venues are unauthorized. Tosobola kukkira n'oŋŋamba oli ku Rukid 3 Ruhandika Street, it is a one way erina enguudo bbiri, single carriers but is a one way. Ogamba nti oyagala kugana abantu nga bali awo mu kkubo wakati.
Gasha kwa jonna ntusingwire.